Hello, my name is Dheeraj Singh, and I'm the Associate Dean of the Department of Media and Communication at MIT-WPU University.
Our programs are designed to combine theoretical insights with practical exposure. We ensure that our students not only understand the fundamentals of media and communication, but also adapt to the changing industry dynamics.
The use of professional equipments has definitely been a game changer for me. It's like I'm actually stepping into the industry and it's preparing me for the real life challenges.
We take great pride in bringing industry experts into our classrooms. Through guest lectures, workshops, and masterclasses, our students gain valuable insight from professionals from the field of journalism, advertising, films, and digital media.
The department encourages us to truly explore every single form of communication, from storytelling, the script writing, from branding, and even visual design. It truly sets us up for a very versatile career.
From traditional journalism to new-age digital media, our programs cater to a variety of interests, including filmmaking, public relations, broadcasting, and digital marketing.
Live projects and internships help students to apply their skills and solve real-world problems and build portfolio to stand out in the competitive media landscape.
The internships that MIT-WPU gives me have been a great stepping stone for my future. Their massive industry connections in journalism, advertising and public relations, and filmmaking have been an incredible first step for my dream future.
With events like the National Conference on Media and Journalism and film festivals organized by our department, we create platforms where our students can showcase their talent and also network with the best in the industry.
What's really special is that we also have an opportunity to collaborate with our peers to learn more about campus projects or even digital content initiatives that allow us to learn about teamwork and our project management skills. And what's really special about this is that it totally replicates a professional workplace environment.
At the Department of Media and Communications, we believe in nurturing talent, sparking creativity, and equipping students with the skills to thrive in a globalized world. MIT-WPU University is not just an institution, it's a launchpad for your dreams. So come join us at MIT-WPU University, Department of Media and Communication.